Frozen Christmas pudding. A bread from Australia. Serves 4. You will need 11 ingredients. Step 1. Combine fruit with fruit juice or other liquid and spices. Cover and allow to stand overnight. Step 2. Mix together soaked fruits, almonds, cream and ice cream. Pour into a large mold and cover with foil. Freeze until firm, for at least 1 week to allow flavor to develop. Step 3. Unmold by quickly dipping into hot water and inverting onto serving plate. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.